Hola amigos, today we're cooking a plant-based version of bistec con papas, which is traditionally a steak and potatoes dish cooked with a mild red salsa. It's easy to make and perfect for the whole family. We begin by heating up some olive oil, and once that's hot, we're going to add some onions to the pan and cook until they're nice and soft. I like to sprinkle in a little bit of salt to help them cook better. And then instead of beef, we're going to be using oyster mushrooms. Now you could also use tofu or seitan. Your favorite meat substitute will work perfect here. And then of course we're going to add the potatoes. This day I made this dish. I had a little too many potatoes and not enough mushrooms, but it's okay. It still tastes delicious. And now you're just going to let those simmer, and while they simmer and soften up, we're going to make the salsa, which is just very basic: tomato, garlic, jalapeno, some seasonings, and some bouillon powder, and then you're just going to blend until it's nice and well combined. And then you're going to test the potatoes to make sure that they have they're fork tender, and then once they are, then you can add the salsa to the pan. Now you want to wait until the potatoes are fork tender, because once you add like an acidic ingredient like tomatoes, it slows down the cooking process, and then this way it won't take as long to cook. Now you can add a little bit of water if you'd like, and then you're just going to let them simmer until most of the sauce has been evaporated. I like to cover it and then uncover the pan, just to let it simmer a little bit longer. And again, just taste your potatoes, make sure everything is nice and seasoned as you'd like, and then I like to serve them with rice, and that's it. This makes a really flavorful and nice and simple dish, perfect for the whole family. I hope you give it a try.